those legal challenges mount, we want to check in with USD Professor of Business Law Craig Barkacs to get his perspective on where things stand. First of all, good morning.
Oh, good morning. Nice to be here.
Great to have you. Okay, so as everyone has been saying, the Trump campaign has not produced any real evidence that you can kind of get a hold of to make their case. What kind of evidence would you say they would need to produce in order to have a viable case?
Well, they made a rather sweeping charge. I mean, they're saying the election has been stolen, that I guess the votes have not been counted properly. But it's really crunch time now. And actually, as I've had the benefit of watching the beginning of the broadcast this morning, it's almost like the country's on different tracks. There's the track that has accepted that Biden is going to be the next president, and then there are those close to the White House insisting that this is not over. But all of us in the legal field have been waiting for that evidence to come forward, and so far we really haven't seen it.
Oh, and some people, of course, are talking about the possibility this could go all the way to the Supreme Court. And of course, you still need evidence for that. Can you talk about the timing? Is it possible this could drag out and start to go into the time when we have electors voting and Congress having to certify all of this? Could that be a problem?
That's potentially a problem. However, given the nature of the claims, there don't appear to be any claims that even if they succeeded would reverse the results of the election. There are many lawsuits being filed in Pennsylvania right now, but they're not the kind of lawsuits that are going to overturn the tens of thousands of votes that President Trump is behind in Pennsylvania. So already courts have been reluctant to take these cases. And just in general, courts really don't want to turn an election around unless the evidence is overwhelming. Now, the Bush case and Bush and Gore in Florida, that was different. That was one state, and we're talking less than 1,000 votes, and the votes were being counted differently. We had the hanging chads. There's no such fact pattern in this particular case.
USD Professor Craig Barkacs, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your thoughts.
Good to see you. Thank you.